Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Mercy with DiscountLowVoltage.com, and today we're going to take a quick look at our plenum-rated patch cables. Let's check them out. Now, these do have a solid conductor, all these assemblies. They are plenum fire-rated, built in the USA. Now, these are available in many different colors. Can be built in custom lengths. We do have them on the website at quite a few different lengths if you're looking for, just something on the fly. Now, these are also available for fast shipment. Well, there you go. For more information, maybe a spec sheet, questions, visit DiscountLowVoltage.com. Thanks.